All is well where there is angel. Rise high, like caterpillar to butterfly. Hello everyone, I am Anvesha Datta. I welcome you all to the world of spirituality. Today's topic is come and join hands. If you want to protect this world, then this is your responsibility. You cannot give the responsibility to others and just sit. Dear, this is your responsibility. Your world, you have to make this world your desired place. What if you come first? If you all understand this and start doing what is needed and also join hands with one another instead of putting the responsibility to others' soldier, then you will notice the difference very soon. The world will be a place of your dream, a much more reliable, safer, and trustworthy than it is now. It is possible only because of you, my dear. Stop running and start taking the responsibility. This earth is your home. You have to take care of your home, right? Your parents, brothers, sisters, friends, relatives all live here. So, why not join hands with everyone? Stay beside one another. Is it really needed a reason to take care of one another? We are so busy that with time we even forget our closed ones. What kind of life we are living? One day our life will be end. We don't know when the day will come. It does not matter at present how old we are. We can still start living for ourselves, for our closed ones. Let come and join hands to make this world a better place to live. Live the fullest before the life leaves us. Let feel the joy from our hearts. There should be no fear of living our lives. Live the fullest. Why not? You are still alive. Thank you all for joining me. This is all for today. See you all to my next video. Till then, take care. Stay healthy. Be happy. God loves you all. Archangel Michael loves you all.